What's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to be seeing how far the drone will fly. The DJI Spark will fly with the Spark remote that just came in, and I will be connecting it with the Lightning to micro USB so that it doesn't have any kind of like Wi-Fi lag, anything like that. So we're going to kind of see how far away it'll fly, and hopefully I don't lose the drone in the process. So it doesn't show it in the image transfer whenever I transferred this from the drone to my phone, but when I got out near that store that you'll see whenever it reaches its peak out to the left, I started getting a lot of distortion. The image was flickering in and out of black, saying that I lost signal, things like that. So I hit return to home because I personally don't want to lose my drone, just trying to see how far I can go. I may try getting those, I believe they're called parabolic things that go on the antenna. It's supposed to increase the range. Some guy said it increased his a lot. So I might try that and kind of get a test and see if I still have good image out here. But yeah, about right here, as soon as it got to the point where it stopped, my image started flickering really bad. And so I hit the return to home button and it came right back, no issues. But yeah, so pretty cool though. It went out pretty far with that remote. I was pretty impressed. I had it in sport mode to get out there quicker. This is something I got from the DJI app, just so you can see the path that I traveled. Kind of shows the distances. It's pretty cool as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch y'all later.